We at Part 2 Careers or P2C Infotech offer you QA training. It's not QA course. We can call it as QA training because whatever we are going to offer, whatever we are gonna offer you is not just a course. It's a complete training which we offer to our internal consultants. So we do so you start up there and we'll also assist you in placement at P2C Infotech. And what will you gain with this QA course? So with this QA course, this QA course is job oriented training. So we'll teach you, will not only just teach you the concepts, we'll tell you some industry examples as well, and you will get to, you'll get good exposure about the industry standards and the things that were followed at the industry. So it is all real time experience. So as I said, this is not just a course, it is a complete QA training. QA, it is not just telling you about testing. It is about, we'll tell you about what are the basics of information technology. We'll tell you what are the basics of Unix and concepts of IBM mainframes. And we'll tell you about structured query language or SQL. So SQL is a language which is used to retrieve data from the database, which is used to interact with the database. So we just not only teach you testing part, so we'll teach you what are different other areas in the IT industry. Complete your training here. You will get to know about Unix, IT, or you'll get to know about database concepts. You'll get to know about different architecture in IT, and you'll get to know about software development life cycles. You'll get to know about software engineering concepts, and there are many things that we cover as part of our training plan. So this is about, these are all the concepts that we cover as part of our training, and you'll getting a job after the training. And we P2C Infotech, we are IT trainers, not only just IT trainers, we are job consultants. We have presence in US, UK, and other countries as well, like in India as well. And we are also into the software development, mobile application development, game development, and we have many other areas. So we are not just trainers who will train you. We are we have already presence in different countries, and we are already experienced with industry. So this is a, and why should you choose P2C? So I mean there is a lot of flexibility when it comes to schedule, because depending on your need, generally we take up classes during the evening time or the late evenings like 9 p.m. So it would be easy for you to attend. Even if you want it to be at 8 p.m., we'll change it to 8 p.m. So even though you are working somewhere, though you might be a housewife, or you might be involved in other activities, by I mean you will attend this class during late evening, so it will not affect you. So that is about schedule. And suppose if there are four people or four members in a class or in a batch, and if some of to be postponed or advanced to other day, so we'll just do it, because how this shows you how flexible. That is about our flexibility in terms of schedule. And the number or the size of batch will not exceed beyond 6 or 7. So it is a maximum number I am telling. Even though there is one student in a batch, will teach you. So it's like the trainer will know each and every one of you, focus, or he will have the attention towards each and every individual. So since the batch size is less, the group or the batch can easily with the trainer, and it's easy for all of them. So we see that the batch size will not go beyond 6 or 7. So this is not just a course, it is a complete we are not offering a QA course which is just about test execution or test case writing or test case designing. It's all about QA process, it's all about IT industry, it's all about different other technologies that are available in the IT industry. So we just don't teach you and we just don't leave you in the desert. We'll provide you the assistance in the job as well, and we'll also give you the assignments during the training course. So once the trainer gives you the assignments, you have to solve them and get back to the trainer. So the trainer will the trainer will evaluate the assignments and he will provide the feedback. We'll also have session kind of things whenever it is needed. So it's not just teaching and stopping there. So we'll also give you assignments, and for each and every module with notes. So after each and every class, the notes will be shared with you, maybe via mail or Dropbox. It all depends on the batch. It all depends on the students. So the medium they want, so we provide the notes through that medium. So that is about why that is these are all the not these are all I mean we have many other benefits of training at P2C Infotech. So this is just a brief. So, and as I said already, the benefits of this training course are like you will get exposure to various technologies like Unix, SQL, what is SAP, what are IBM mainframe concepts. So it's like gaining knowledge which is equivalent to the person who is who is already in the industry from 3 or 4 years. Maybe the person who is working in the industry from 3 or 4 years will not have idea about each and every technology that we teach. So but you will have a good exposure to various technologies because the training course will be taken up by the real-time experts, so who are already working in the industry or who have good experience with the industry. So only the trainers are directly from industry, so it is not giving you a course and it is not just dumping it on you upon you. So this is about training course at p2cinfotech.com, and just during the class will be available after the class as well. Like you may just drop an email, the trainer will provide you the assistance. And whenever you want something beyond the training, you can always talk to our staff. Like you might have already interacted with Venkat, so he'll be helping you out whenever you need, and the trainers will also help you out. So whenever you get any doubt, you can directly just send out an email so that the trainer will get back to you, and the turnaround time will definitely be less. So this is all about P2C, and this is all about QA training that we offer. So it is not just QA, you can say QA with a basics of industry or basics of software industry. If you are new to software, you might not be knowing anything about software, you can learn many things here. And even if you are already in some years of experience, so and if you want to learn more about QA, you can also join this course. So you need not worry, even though if you are a fresher or even though if you are new to the software, the the place, we start with basics and we'll take you and our journey will our journey will continue till you get a good exposure to various technologies. So this is about QA, this is about training, and if you have any doubts you can just ask me. So if you have any doubts about the training, any doubts regarding notes, or if you have any doubts regarding anything. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Atif.
So is that all for the demo class?
No. We'll be teaching you.
Okay.
I mean, I'll show you how our notes would be, how organized our notes would be, and I'll also teach you some concepts of QA. But
Okay.
before
Great.
that, just
So
it is like heads up for you.
okay. Great. Thanks.
No problem. So our notes would look like this. Sometimes we follow Word documents, sometimes we follow PPTs, and sometimes we'll also give you the PDF or Adobe files. So we'll give you detailed notes about each and every topic that is dealt in the class. So we'll also share in the notes in either Dropbox or any other medium. So let us just go through some of the basics of QA or some of the basics of software industry. So when I say software, for example, whenever you are working on a computer, okay. Anthony, any doubts or do you want something? I mean, do you have something to say?
No, I'm watching. You- I'm watching the tutorial.
Oh, okay. For example, say I would like to do some calculations. So I'll just open the calculator application on the Windows and I can do the calculations that I need. So this is a calculator application that we have in our computer. So in order to develop this calculator, in order to do these operations, the user has to give some instructions to the computer. So the computer cannot understand the instructions that you give. Like when I say please and when I say add two numbers, the computer will not be able to understand my language. So we have to interact with the computer with the language that it can understand. So the language that a computer can understand is the assembled language, and the language that we know is the English. So in order to bridge this gap, we have come up with a concept called programming language. So programming language, the language which we know is English. So with the English scripts, or with the scripts written in English, or with the commands written in English, we can instruct the computer to get our work done. So when you give some instruction in the form of programming language, it will be converted into the binary language. Binary language is all about zeros and ones. So it will be converted into binary language and the computer can work as required. So when I say programming language is an instruction, or it's a set of when I say programming language, it is the language that we use to interact with the computer. Where a software program, it's the set of instructions that you give to the computer in order to get your work done. So the software program is all about set of instructions that you give to a computer. So when I use this calculator, I'm giving some instructions to the computer. So in order to give that instructions, calculator as a middleman. So this calculator is one kind of software application. The word processors that I am using, software program. So let us look at the formal definition of software. So software or software program is an instruction given to a computer in order to perform a given function efficiently and accurately. When I say efficiently, suppose I have to calculate the multiplication of three numbers, like, and I'm calculating multiplication for 4-digit numbers. So it will definitely take time if I do it manually. So when I take the help of a
statement as
computer,
this is my first program.
it
Okay,
gives
this
the
is known as
result
comment. Okay,
at a faster
generally
rate.
comments are used to provide
So
any
the
information regarding to
response
the
would be
program.
very quick because the processing
so comments
power of the computer
will be ignored
is
by
good,
Java compiler.
and
But how
also
does
less chance
Java
for
compiler knows that first line is
making
called comment?
or less chance
I'm
for
not representing
any
first
errors.
line as comment here.
So
The line which is
software
starting with the
program
double slash here
improves
is
the
known as comment.
efficiency and also
Okay, so the comment which is the
accuracy.
line which is
So
starting with the double slash,
that is
even
the
though
need
you
for
write a Java
software
code, Java
program.
line which is starting
So
with
the
the double
main
slash
need
is
for
a
software program
comment. Whatever
is
the
to
comments
automate
you
the
use in
tasks.
your program is
So
for
whenever a
understanding
human
purpose for the other
being
developer.
is doing some
What
task
your program is
repeatedly,
doing,
so
what
we'll
is the
just
logic you
automate
are
it
using,
so that
such kind
computer
of information.
takes less time
Okay,
to finish off
generally
the job,
comments will be ignored
and
by
it
compiler.
completes
Okay,
the
there
job
are
with
three
more
types
accuracy.
of comments
So
you
that
can
is
write
about
in
software.
Java program, that is
And
single line comment.
when we go into the class or when we start teaching you, we'll also
Double
teach
slash.
the evolution of software languages from assembled
Wherever you
programming
use
language.
double slash, from
So
that position
in
to
this
till the
software
end of line
programming
is
languages,
comment.
we
Means,
have
for example,
many kinds
before
of
this double
languages
slash,
like
if you have
structured
something
language,
that is not
structured programming,
comment actually, even though double slash
object-oriented
is representing
programming, and
single
we
line
have
comment,
assembled programming.
wherever
So
the
we
double
have
slash is
different
starting
kinds
from
of
that position
software
to till the end
programming
of line is
languages.
considered to be
So we'll
as
tell you
comment.
about the evolution,
Okay,
how it
so
all
that
started,
that part,
and how
that
and the
comment
journey
part will
programming
be
language
ignored.
from
Okay,
assembled
I want
to
to make sure that
the
2 or 3 lines
object-oriented
of
programming language like Java,
message as a comment. Then you have to
C#
use
that we are
multi-line
using
comment. Multi-line comment
today.
is
So
like this.
that is
Whatever
I
you
mean
like,
that
you
we
can use.
teach you when you go into
Wherever
the
you
class or
start
when you start the
slash
course.
star, from
So
that to till the end of
for example,
star
there are
slash,
different
it's
kinds
called
of
as multi-line
softwares,
comment.
or we can categorize, or we can do different kinds, and there are many criteria for
Okay,
categorization.
one is single line comment,
So
then second one is multi-line comment.
for
Okay,
example,
these two only will be
when I
using
say
throughout Java, but there is one more comment.
software, we may have different classification criteria. So based on
Documented
one of the
comment.
classification criteria, we can classify the software into system software
Looks
and
like
the
this.
application software. So when I say system software, it is the basic operating system and the utilities that you use
Slash star
come under
star.
system software. So system software
Okay,
is
and
like
in every line
it is
star
the important software
line, star
without
line
which you
matter.
cannot access
Okay,
the system.
this
For
is known
example,
as
without
documented
operating
comment.
system, you cannot interact with the hardware that you use. So in order to work with the hardware,
So whatever you are writing
need
in this
operating
comment will be
system. In order
applicable
to
for
get the work done
documentation
from the
purpose
hardware,
of
like
the
example,
API.
you
Okay,
have
we are going to see
speakers
what is
connected to
API
your
and what is the
system,
information regarding that latter.
to
But
your
for time
computer
being,
or
try to
your
understand
desktop.
it is a
In
documented
order
comment will be used for
listen to
documentation
music
purpose of the Java
using that speaker, you need drivers for
Java
that speaker.
application. Okay,
So
you don't know what is
when I
application, what
use
is the
system
use of it.
software,
That's why we'll see it later. But for time being,
this
if
is the
you
base,
would
this
like
is
to
the
use
must-have
documented comment,
software.
doesn't
in
matter whether
order
you
to
use
interact with the
documented comment
hardware.
or multi-line comment
So
whenever
on
you
top of
require,
it,
but better to use
we can
multi-line
have
comment
many
right
other
now because we are not
softwares like
preparing any documentation.
on top of your operating system. So
Okay,
whenever you log
just
into,
forget about
whenever you
that.
switch
There
on
are
your
three
system,
types of comments:
you
single line
will see
comment,
something
multi-line
called either
comment,
Windows
documented
or the
comment.
Linux
Single line
or
comment start with double slash until
different
the end of line,
operating
and
systems that you use. For
multi-line comment start with
example, you
slash
might
star
be
and
using
with star
Windows,
slash, and whatever
you
you
might
have
be
mentioned in
using
between slash
Linux,
star and
you might
star
be
slash
using
will be
Mac. So
multi-line
it all
comment.
depends.
Okay, so
So on the top of this
next thing,
operating system,
in
we
the
have
code.
another programs like Microsoft Office.
So comment
We
what
have
is
another
okay.
programs like
I have
browsers,
mentioned something
programs
like
like
as import
antivirus program.
java dot
So
lang
all
dot
these
star.
programs
This is one thing
which
you need
are
to
used
understand.
for
Very
specific
important.
purpose.
I just
When I use
mentioned
Microsoft
java
Office
dot
Suite,
lang
its
dot
purpose
star.
is for the office
Using
related
Java language,
stuff
you
like
can do lot many things.
presentations,
There are lot many
for
features available.
writing
Using
data into
Java, you can
spreadsheets,
develop multi-threaded
for word
application, you
processing,
can
and
develop network-related
and so on.
application, you can
So
develop
similarly, when I say
micro
antivirus
application.
program, it is specific
Okay, any
to
kind
the
of
system,
application you
or
can develop
its
using
main
Java.
function is to
To
prevent
develop
virus
such kind of applications,
attacks on the
Java
computer.
has so many
So application software
APIs.
is
API is
software
nothing
which
but programming interfaces.
which has
Okay, it has so
its
many things. Like for
specific
example, if
purpose.
you'd like to do
So that is
mathematical
about
operations in
application
your
software
program, something like sine value,
system
cos value
software.
kind of thing. Okay, so
So
it
and
has the feature to
So
work.
basically
I need
that I
sine
want to
value.
find out. So let's
If
say
Java does not have how
with
to find
application
sine, then I
software,
cannot perform.
anything.
So which means that to perform
software,
some kind of
let's
task,
say
Java has some predefined set of things.
Would you take that as
Okay.
an application
So
software?
the predefined set of things are the predefined
can you come
classes,
again?
predefined
system.
objects. Okay, so
It's
like that.
something like
As we
Excel.
discussed
Would
about
you
object
take
is
it as,
nothing but
application system software?
runtime entity. Object will
Microsoft
be
Excel
having
is an
properties and
application
behaviors.
software
That
because
properties
it has
and
its
behaviors
specific
will be
purpose.
collected
And you
using
cannot directly use
a set
Microsoft Excel on the
as
system
a
directly.
set. Who will
Without
be
an
collecting
operating, you
as a
cannot
set is
use
nothing but class.
Excel or Word
Okay,
processor.
so whenever you want to do mathematical operations,
system
there is a class
software
available in
is a
Java
must.
called MATH.
And on top of the system software,
Okay,
you use
like that, to perform different kind of operation, there are lot many classes available. Okay, but the classes are organized into
example, if this
some
is the
packages.
hardware
Let us
that you
say
are having,
the classes
within
which
your
are relevant to
desktop
perform
or within your
mathematical
PC, you
operation
might
or
be
general
having- you'll
language,
be
Java
having,
language related
printed
operations.
circuit
Those
board or
are
motherboard.
all collected in
You'll
a package
have
called
various
LANG.
hardware
Okay.
ports
So,
or
and
hardware
there are some other
devices, like
classes which
you'll
are
have
relevant for input
speakers
output. Those are
connected to your
collected in
machine.
IO package.
You'll
Okay.
have monitor
All these
connected to
packages
your
are there in again a package
CPU
called Java.
or central processing unit. You
Means
have keyboard,
whatever the predefined
you
things
use
are there
mouse.
for Java,
So all
those are
these
collected in a
hardware
mechanism like
components cannot
packages
work
and
without
sub packages
the drivers
and into
for them.
classes kind of thing.
So for
Okay.
example,
Java
when
is a
you
super
use
package
a
for everything.
printer,
In that
drivers
package you
for
have
the
so many
printer.
sub packages.
So
Okay.
such
In that sub
things
packages you
come
have
under
predefined things
system
called
software.
the
So
classes, interfaces, objects or whatever
they
it may
help
be.
you to
Okay.
utilize
know
the
all this
hardware
stuff, you need
resources
to look
that you
into
have.
Java API, how many packages
so
are
with the
available, how
hardware,
many
we need operating
classes are available,
system,
but
which is a
you,
must.
you need not to dig into
So
each and
without
everything,
operating
but to
system,
understanding
you cannot
purpose,
give
I'm
instructions
just
directly
opening
to the
API
computer.
and
You
I'll
cannot
show you.
work directly with a motherboard. Use the hardware. In order to get the work done from the hardware, you need this operating system. So if it is the
Okay.
hardware,
In this you have documentation under the download,
and this can be
okay, you can see as
the
API.
what we call the system software. And on top of it, in order to interact with the system, you have different
Okay,
application
here it will show API,
softwares.
or else it's better
So,
you can
like
type in
Microsoft
Google
Excel,
and
the
search
browser,
direct the link.
or the Internet Explorer, so any kind of browser,
Java
or the antivirus program,
1.7
all come under application
API.
software. So
Click on that. So it will open Java Docs API. Right click
So
on
this
open
part
in a new tab.
is application
See,
software.
the API looks like this.
This part is
Here if
system
you can
software,
see,
like your
there are so
operating
many
system,
packages.
utilities, devices, and so on.
On the top you are seeing the packages folder.
And this is the
Okay.
hardware.
Don't
So
worry
in order
about
to
these all.
interact with the hardware,
In that if you see
in order to
java.lang,
interact with this
if you click
hardware,
on that,
and in order to get any specific work done, like Excel or
which
the
means
word
that
processor,
now
so
if
you
you
need
can see
this
here
middleman, who is
what
which is
java.lang is
system
having.
software.
It is having so many classes. These are all the classes.
Does that answer your question?
These are all the classes. Something
Yes.
like to perform mathematical operations, you have something called math. If you see math class is having
So
so
that
many
is about
methods to
system
perform
software and
tasks.
application software.
Okay,
And
don't look into these all. Don't confuse with these all. I am
we'll
just
look into
showing you
another
what is
category wherein
what
we
is
can
class,
classify
what
the
is package.
software
And
into
like
web
java.lang,
application
there are so many
and
packages.
desktop application.
Java.io,
So when I say web
okay,
application, for example,
java.rmi,
when you want, when
java.text,
you
java.sql for
want to
SQL
book
relation, and
any ticket,
java.util for utilities kind of thing. What I mean to
when
say
when
is
you want to
Java
interact,
has
or when you want to check your mails,
so
or
many
when you want to log in, you use the URL.
packages.
So when you
Something
use
like
a particular URL,
lang,
URL stands for
IO,
universe resource locator.
net,
So
SQL,
when you use an
text,
URL, you
etc.
are connecting
These
to
are all
a
different
machine,
kind of
or
packages.
you
The
are
language
connecting to a
related
server which is located remotely.
classes and predefined
So when
things,
you
whatever
use
is there are
Gmail
collected
URL
in lang
in order to
package. IO
with
related
the
stuff is
Google,
collected and named
in
as
order to
IO,
connect
but all
or
these
in order to check your
packages
Gmail,
are collected in a super package called
you're connecting
Java.
to the Gmail server, which might be
It
located
doesn't matter
in
whether you are
Australia,
working with
or it
IO,
might be
NET,
located
SQL, text in your
somewhere in
program.
India,
Basically, when you are
or
writing a
it might be
program,
located
definitely you will be
somewhere in
using
the
language
US,
related stuff,
and you are able to
basic fundamentals. That's what each
and
and
you are
every
able to
program
interact or your
must be
particular
imported with java.lang.star,
server directly from
indicating that whatever is
directly
there
sitting
in
at your home. You are
lang
able to
package
access that
need to
particular
be
server,
imported
which
to
is
the current
located
program,
at a remote
so
place.
that the developer
With
will
the
be
use
able
of
to work
web
with all the
applications,
language related stuff in his
web
program.
applications help you to
That is what the
connect
statement defines.
with
Import java.lang.star,
machines, or
which means
to connect with the
whatever is
resources
therein
which are located remote.
lang.
So
Let's click on
for
lang,
example,
so that
whenever
the
you are
down one will
booking a
refresh.
flight ticket,
So it is
you are
refreshed.
connecting
All
with the
these,
server
all
of
these
that
will
particular
be
airlines.
downloaded
So
to
web
your
application
program, will be
software helps
available
you
to
to
your
connect
program
with
to
the
work.
machines
So that
located
whatever required,
remotely,
for example,
and
if
you
you
can
need to work
access
with math
these
in your
applications
program,
directly
you can
via
work.
internet.
If you need to work with float
So
enum in
that
your
is about
program,
web
you can work.
application. And when I
Okay.
say desktop-based
The
applications,
statement
desktop-based
import
applications are the one on your
java.lang.star
own machine.
indicating that to work with
For
all those
example,
things in your
if you
program.
have
And it doesn't matter like
antivirus
how many
program
imports you
installed on
keep
your
over there.
machine,
If you
I cannot
in your program, like if
connect
you
to
need
the
to do
antivirus that is installed on your
multiple
system from it.
operations and you are trying to
So
import
desktop
multiple things, you
applications
can
are
still import, but
limited to
those things
that
should be
particular
line by line.
desktop
Import
or that
java.lang.star,
particular
import java.io.star,
machine.
import
So
java.sql.star. It is up to you.
that is
What are
about
all the packages
application
you
and the
require
web
into
application.
your program, and you will be working with. Okay, how to
So
import.
this
But
is
mind it. Okay,
another
whether import
classification
all
for
those
software.
stuff or not, net,
So any
SQL,
doubts till now
text kind of
or
thing,
about
you have to import
classification?
java.lang.star, must and should. Even if you don't provide the statement in your program, Java will import, Java will add this statement implicitly to your program, so that language
We'll
related
go
stuff
ahead
will be
and
added
we'll
to your
look into
program
different
by
application
default.
tiers
Okay.
or different architectures.
This is to import
So based on how
all
a software is
predefined
designed, or based on how the different layers in a software are
classes,
organized,
interfaces,
we can have different categories or different architectures. So
to
let
the
us look into
current program, so that you will be able to work with those. Okay, then let's say
let us look into let us take the
you are
example
seeing
of the
something different
GoToMeeting site
behind
or
beside
GoToMeeting
that import
application.
java.lang.
For example,
Class demo,
I have the GoToMeeting
class
client
demo.
installed
This
on
is
my
begin
machine,
of
so
class.
I am able
This
to
is
connect
close
to
of
the
class.
meetings
Okay,
because I
nothing.
have
Whenever you
this
are starting
GoToMeeting
begin, you have
installed
to
on my
end.
machine.
Okay, in that you are seeing
So
something called void main.
I can interact with this
Void main.
GoToMeeting software using
So
the
very
buttons
first
that are
thing
available
you need to
here,
understand
using
main.
different
Main is a function.
controls that
Main
are
is a
available here.
behavior.
So I'm able to
It
use
is
or
indicating
I'm able
to
to
your Java compiler
access this
to
GoToMeeting,
start
and I'm able
your
to
program. Your program
do
execution
all
begins from
what I
here,
want to
main.
do using the controls or the
You
buttons
can
or
write
the
anything in your
elements
class
that are available in
demo.
that particular
Anything you can
GoToMeeting.
write, but
So
when you run
so
it,
this is the layer, or
when
this
you are
is the
trying to run,
program which
it will check
I'm
where is
or
main.
this is the,
If main is there,
we can
it
call it
begins
as a
from
layer.
there. Okay,
So
it
this
won't
is
look into all other
this
stuff what you
UI
keep
or
before
this
main or
user
after
interface
main.
layer
It will
is
check for
helping me
main.
to
Okay, this is
interact
begin of
with
main
the
and this is
P2C,
close of main. Whatever you
to
write
interact with the GoToMeeting
in the middle of that,
So
that will be executed.
each and every
Okay,
application.
so
For
if you are
example,
aware
when
of
I
C,
say
C++
this word processor, when
programming,
I
in
say
that
this
you will have
internet browser,
void main.
so
The
each
same
and
it is
every
here.
application,
Okay, even if you are not aware
in
of
order
that,
to
main is
interact
a
with
place
each and
where the
every
execution of
application,
program
you need
begins.
a
Void
presentation
is
layer.
indicating that return type. Return type of main. Anyway, we are not returning anything. Let's keep
So
it
the
as
first one
void.
is a
Okay,
presentation layer,
we will be discussing
and the
about those
second one
in depth in class and
is,
objects topic. For time being,
so
just keep
when I
void main.
click
Void is
on this
indicating the return
particular
type of
button,
main. So
when I
that
click
also
on
I'll
this
note here.
particular button, you will not be able to see my screen right now.
This is
And when I click on the button again, you will
begin
be able to see my screen again.
and
So
close,
there is some functionality
and the
associated
content
with
of
each and every control available on this presentation layer.
begin
So all the
and
controls on this presentation
close
layer
is known as
are having a particular
block.
functionality associated with it.
Is known as a
the functionality is nothing but they have
Okay.
some
If you
instructions
use
loaded
this one
with
for a
each and
class,
every
then it is known
element
as class
available
block.
in this presentation layer.
If you use it
So
for
in order to
main,
provide these
it is known
instructions,
as
we use
main block.
programming language, as I said.
Okay.
So the programming language has some code associated with it, which
Till
is
here it
nothing
is
but
okay.
we
It is
call it
main.
as
This is
logic.
begin of main. This
So
is
each
close
and
of
every
main. In that
button
whatever
will
you
have
write,
its
it
own
will
logic.
execute.
So
Public
for
static
each
I
and
have
every
used. For
application,
time being,
we
forget
have
about
something
static
called
also.
application
Okay,
layer,
that will cover.
wherein
We are going to cover
the
in
logic for each and
classes and
every
object topic
button
later.
or
Okay,
the code
public is
behind this
indicating that
presentation
to
is written. So
indicating
this
that
is
it
we
is
call
accessible.
as
Main need to be
application
executed
layer
by
or
compiler.
business
Then it
logic
should
layer.
access to compiler. If you keep it as some other type,
Yep.
I told about data hiding.
And in order to connect to
Okay,
this meeting,
data
you are
abstraction
giving the
defines
meeting
what to hide,
details
what to
like
access.
the URL,
I would like
and
to say that
also
main
you
should
are
be accessible.
logging
Then only I
into
will
the
be able
meeting
to
ID
execute the
meeting
program.
you-
So if
by
we keep
using the
public here,
meeting
then
ID.
only it is accessible to
So
run
we
it.
should,
That's why
in
you
order
have
to
keep
validate
public.
the meeting ID,
Okay.
we should
There are
have
some
meeting
other
ID
access
stored somewhere.
specifiers which always make that
Until
hiding
and
of the
unless
data.
the meeting ID
So,
is
but I
stored
just want to
somewhere,
make
until
sure
and
that it
unless
is
this
accessible.
URL is
That's why you
stored
have to keep
somewhere, you will
public.
not be able to
Okay. So
access
whenever
or you will not
class
be able
demo,
to log
all
into this
your
meeting.
main should be in
So,
some class.
all these
Okay.
are stored
Why? Because
at
you
particular
cannot write
place.
a simple method
So
like
we
this.
need a
All methods
layer
should be
for the storage as well.
combined in
So
a
we may call it
set.
as
That set name is called demo.
database. Database is generally for storing
Class is a
purpose,
keyword,
storage
and
purpose.
set name can be
So
anything.
we can
not
have
demo.
a
It can
database
be any
layer
other
or
demo,
a
first demo, or
storage layer.
anything you can keep it. Okay. So class is making
Or
it
we
as a
can
set,
also
and this is
call
begin
it
of
as
set,
backend.
and this is end of the
So
set.
for
and
each
name
and
of the
every
set is demo.
application, we have
Inside
all
set
these
you will have
three
a method
layers.
called public static
Until and
void
unless
main,
we
the
have
same
these
way,
three layers,
syntax,
the function
it is a rule,
or the
and this is
application
begin
will
of
lack
main,
some
this is close of
functionality
main.
or will
Why
lack
you
some
have to use string arcs?
will lack
String
completeness.
arcs
So
is
the
indicating that
application will be
if you'd like to
incomplete.
pass, you know that this
So we have these three layers
later
for
I am
each
going
and
to show
every
you
application.
how to pass
So based on
and
how
how
these
to
three
receive.
layers are
Okay, but
organized,
for time being
we can
also, let's make
classify
it that
a
this is
computer
the syntax
software
of the
into.
main public static
I mean, we
void
can have
main
different
string
architectures
arc.
based
And
on
make sure
how
that
these three
always
layers
you
are
have to write
organized.
a Java
For
program
example,
in lowercase only,
when I
not
take the
uppercase.
example of this
Always
particular
lowercase.
Word document,
Only there are some
I
places
have all
where
the
you need
data
to
available
use
here.
capital. There you need to
So
use
I have
capital.
all the data
That is
stored
what
as part of this
string
Word
yes
document,
capital.
and these pictures
System
are also
yes
stored
capital.
here,
Okay.
and
So
I'm able
all
to
other
interact directly
here are
with the Word
lowercase only.
document
Demo D capital. That's it.
using the controls.
All other are
And the
in
logic for these
lowercase.
controls
Public
is
static
also
void
available
main
on my
string arcs.
own
This is
machine.
big enough.
So when I
Now
install
come to
this
this line
document, or
system
when I
dot
install
out
the
dot
Microsoft
println.
Office suite,
Okay.
I
As I
have
told, we'll be
all
using
the
language related stuff.
application
System
related
is a set,
code, or
like
I
demo.
have all the code
Demo
installed
we are
on my
doing
machine.
system is the
So
existing
I
one
have all
in
the
LAN.
three layers
You'd like to
in my
see.
own machine.
I
All the
clicked
three
on.
layers are available on a single machine. So such kind of architecture is called
Java.lang.
one-tier architecture.
In that you see
For example,
system.
when you use
System is what?
Microsoft Excel
It's a
spreadsheet,
set.
you have some
Okay.
data. Maybe you are collecting data related to a country's population
System is having
for
so many things.
different years.
Out.
For example, if you are collecting the
Out is a
population of
field in
X
system.
particular country for
So
each and
in
every
that
year,
field
and you have saved it in a table
you
format,
have something
and
called
you are trying to
println.
analyze it, so you have created a chart or graph out of
Println.
the data,
Okay.
and you are using
So
the
this one we are
graph,
using.
a chart
Okay.
to analyze the
How
data.
do you use it?
So in such
System
case,
is
the
a
chart,
set.
which is a
In that
presentation
set,
layer,
dot.
is available in the same Excel.
If you are keeping dot is nothing
same
but
spreadsheet.
in
The
system
data for this
you have OUT. In
graph
out
sheet
you
or
have
the data
println.
for this
Okay.
chart is also
System
available in the
dot
same
out
Excel
dot
sheet or Excel
println.
spreadsheet.
So we are
And the
using a
logic
behavior
for,
called println, which is
generating
used to
this
print
chart is
something
also
on your
available
screen.
in the
What to
same
print
Excel
that you have to give
spreadsheet.
in double quotes.
So we have all the three layers.
So system dot
In the
out dot
same
println
machine.
is used to print something.
So
Okay, where
such kind of
system is the
architectures we
existing
call them
class
as
in Java,
one-tier
which is part
applications
of LAN
or one-tier
package.
architecture.
Okay, in that you have out. In that you
And
have
for
println.
example,
Okay, don't confuse with
when
lot many
you
things.
are
Why system?
accessing
How
this
many things are there?
GoToMeeting,
How many API? You should not be master of
and you
learning
have
this one.
this all the meeting ID
Should not be
and
master of learning all
GoToMeeting
this.
URL
That is
and
not Java.
all of
actually.
them are stored
Okay,
at
learning of this. This
GoToMeeting
is
site.
API. You should know how to use it.
So
You should
we
not
have
by heart. You
database
should not understand.
which
oh,
is
so many
residing
packages
at
are there. So many classes are there. So many
Citrix
methods are there.
company.
Don't worry about that. Even
And we have the presentation
I don't
layer
know
with
all
us.
this stuff.
We have the
I
client
know only
applications
few.
with
Okay.
us.
There are lot many
So, in
predefined
web
features
server
are
model
available. If
or
you like to,
in the
you can use it. Otherwise,
web
you can write
application
your
model,
code
we
as
have
you like.
something called server and the
Okay.
client. So the architecture will
System.out.println
be
is used to print
server
something
and
like that.
client
If you say
architecture.
welcome to .java, it is
So
welcome to
we
Java.
have a
It is
server
going to display as
like
welcome
this,
to
for
Java.
example.
Okay.
When you
This
are
is the first program.
working,
Okay, you can write this program and you can save this program
when
and
you are
compile
accessing
and
your
run it
Gmail,
and see
you have a Gmail server
the
here,
output. Okay.
and
Any questions
you
on
may
the
have,
basic structure?
for example,
Anybody?
when
Mona, do
you
you
use
have any questions?
Facebook mobile application on your mobile, this is the Facebook server, and you have a particular Facebook application
Mona, are you there?
installed on
Any
your
questions
machine.
from you?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you will
fine,
access
I
the
understand.
Facebook using the
Okay,
application
Monica.
on your machine or on your mobile, and you are connecting to Facebook server. So when I say
Monica, do you have any questions?
you are connecting to Facebook server, you are sending some request to the
Sanju?
Facebook, and the Facebook server is responding you. So
Sunita?
you might update your status. So when you update the status, you are requesting the
Sunita, are
server
you there?
to update your status to that particular text.
Yeah.
So you are
Everything's fine.
requesting the Facebook
Okay.
server.
Let's see how to run this program and where to write and where to save and how to compile and how to
So
run.
you are requesting the
How we'll
Facebook
see the
server to
output.
update
Okay.
your status, and
Till
so
here.
this is the client. Client requests for particular service, and the server responds with that service. So this is how web applications or web application architecture is
I'm going to
distributed.
everything I am
So
placing in
in
Dropbox
two-tier
shared folder.
applications, when I
Okay,
say
every
the
day,
application
whatever
is
I
a
am
two-tier
covering.
or in two-tier architecture,
Okay, let's save this
we have
program.
database which is
So,
located at a
I'm
particular
saving in a
far
separate file.
site,
Till here only.
and we have
in
client
Java program,
applications.
you
So
should not
the
open a notepad.
applications, the client related
In that-
applications are loaded onto your machine,
You write
and you
your
are able
Java
to connect
program.
with the
Okay, should not have any extra thing. This
database.
stuff.
For example,
okay, only
Microsoft
Java program. That's
Word.
it.
When you want to
Okay.
make use
So
of
import
clipart,
java.lang.star only the program stuff you
so
have.
you
Okay.
go to this
and you have to
clipart
save
and you
this
search for
program.
clipart.
How do you save your
So
program?
when you search
you
for
have to save
clipart,
this
you
program
get
as demo.java.
For example,
Mind
I
it, whatever the
search for
name of the
clipart
set you are using, the
for
same
Smart.
name you have to use it for your program too.
So
Because in
all the
this
application
set,
or
main
all the
is
logic
there.
for this application
Because
is
why you
available
have
on
to
my
do is
machine.
in your program
But
there
when
may
I
be
search
many
for the
sets.
clipart,
Wow,
it is
there may be
available
10
in the
set, one set,
server, or it is available somewhere
100
else.
sets.
So the
But main
database
should
is
be there
available
is only one
somewhere.
set.
I am
Okay.
accessing it
To
directly
identify
from my
that
machine.
one, whatever the name of the
So,
set, the main
When
there,
you have such
same name you have to
architecture
apply
wherein the database is
for the
located at a
program
far
too.
site
So here
and the
you have
client
to save like
application
this.
is
For
located
file
at
name,
one site, so such
keep
application,
double
such
quotes.
architecture is
Say
called
that
two-tier
dot
architecture.
Java, demo.java,
And
keep
when
in
I
double
say
quotes. Otherwise,
three-tier or
dot
when I say
txt
three-layered
extension will be
architecture,
added.
you have the business logic separated
You have
from the
saved your
UI
program.
layer.
To see that, go to see
For
where
example,
you have saved
when I am logging
Java
into
new batch.
Gmail homepage,
See that demo type, it is showing Java file. Okay, now your program, you have saved your program. You have to compile your program. How do you compile your program? Go to command prompt. Okay, here you need to go to Java new
So
batch
when I
directory,
log-
but
when I'm
I am
trying
in
to log
users
into Gmail,
my name directory. Okay, first of all you need to
and
come
without
out of
giving
all
any
this.
username or
For that you
password,
have
I am
to
saying
say
sign in.
cd slash
So it says enter
Then you
your
will come
email
out
address.
from
So
all
there is
cd
validation
slash
associated with each
to
and
come
every
out.
field.
Then after
For
that,
example, I have
cd
entered some
and name
user
of
ID
your
and I
directory.
say sign in. So
Java new
password
batch.
field is empty. So there is some
Then it will
validation
enter into
associated
directory.
with each and everything.
Now if you'd like to see
So
what is
this
there in your
logic
directory.
for validation is
So see
written
this
as part of this web
demo.java.
page. So the logic for validation is
You need to
available
compile
on
this
your
one.
own machine.
To compile that one, you have to
And
use
when I
Java
give some
C2.
user ID and
Earlier
password,
after the installation we have
for
validated
example,
whether
some
the
random
Java
user
C is
ID and
working fine or
password,
not. It is
and
working
when I
fine.
say sign
Then
in,
what you have to do is
so it
Java
has to
C
go to
demo.java.
the server, or it has to go to some layer where the
Enter.
logic for this
Java C demo.java.
validation of a particular user is written.
After
So
this
the
statement,
logic is written as
if
part
you
of
get the
application
command
layer
prompt
or as
directly,
part of
then
business logic
your
layer.
program executed successfully.
So we have
then
a program
in that
which
directory
validates
you will
this
be able to see a
authentication
class
mechanism.
file with the
And
demo
in order
name.
to validate this
go to the
authentic,
directory
or
and
in
see
order to validate
is
a
there any
particular
class file?
user, it
See
has
this.
to go to the database and search.
Demo.class.
Suppose in the case of
Demo.class
my
file is
user ID,
created nothing but
QA
Java
trainer
will be
dot
able to
P2C
run this
Infotech,
dot
it has
class
to go
file.
to the
Let's say how
database
to
of
run
Gmail
that.
and it has to search for the
Java
particular ID qa.p2
demo.
qatrainer.p2cinfotech.com, and it has to match my user
See,
ID
welcome
with the
to Java.
password
Whatever
available
you
with,
have written in the
server.
program, There is
So
only one step
it
you
has
have
to
written in the
do that
program.
validation.
System.out.println,
So the code for this
which is used to
validation is
print.
a software program
Okay.
which is
If you
written
say
in the
welcome to Java
application
in the
layer of
double quotes,
business logic
that
layer.
will be displayed. If you say your name, that
So
will be displayed.
we have all these
Whatever
three
you have
layers
mentioned in the
available on
double
a
quotes,
may not be
that will
available on a
displayed
single
as
machine.
it is in the output.
So such
Welcome
kind
to
of
Java, welcome to Java.
architectures,
Something else,
I
that
can
something
call
else
them
will be
as
displayed.
3-tier
That is
architecture.
what. This is the way how you compile
So
your program
we
and
may
run that
have a
program.
database server located
Okay.
at
So to compile the above
US
program,
or headquarters
how
of
do you compile?
Google,
Okay, let's say after going
and I may
to
have
command prompt
application
start,
logic written or application logic layer
run.
installed on a machine which is somewhere
Here you will be
in
using CMD
Australia,
and
and I may be
enter.
accessing this user interface layer
Then you will be
directly
seeing
from
like
New
this
Zealand.
something C:/
So
users
we have all the different layers located at different sites
/tom.
or different three-tier
Okay.
architecture.
Here you have to use
So you
CD/.
can also see different
Then you will be
diagrams
saying
or different figures for
C:/.
three-tier architectures.
Okay. Here you have to say CD and the programs where you have
We
saved.
may have
Okay, CD space,
multi-architecture
the
wherein more
program
than
is
three-tier
therein
architectures are also
something
possible.
like PROG
And
folder. Let us
we
assume
may
that.
have
Okay,
an
enter.
entire
Then you will
architecture.
be seeing here
So we may have different types of architectures.
PROG. Inside,
And
to compile the
this is
program,
how
Java
our
C and name of the
notes
program,
looks
something like demo
and
dot
we'll also tell you
Java
what is about, I mean, why the necessity,
to
what
compile.
is the necessary for or necessity for software
Once you compile the
testing,
program, you have to use C://
and how it is different from just test execution, how why
Java
QA is
demo
not just a text execution,
to run.
or
Output will
why
be
it is
displayed.
a more
What is
of
Java C
process.
and
So
Java?
what
These
is
are
the
the tools
process
available
that
in
you
the
are
past
following
settings
as
which
part
we
of
have done.
QA, and what are different life cycle
The
methods
bin
available
folder,
for software development.
you can see Java C.
And we'll also look
This
into
is an
software
application
testing life
and
cycle, talk
Java.
about
Okay, these are the tools
defects.
available in
We'll
bin folder.
also
Okay,
teach you
that we have.
about defect life cycles, and we will also teach you real time approach for defects. How what are all the steps that you have to follow in all whenever you come across a defect. So this is how we gonna teach you. So if you have any doubt, do you have any doubts still? So this is how organized our notes will be, and we'll be sharing the notes after each and every class. We'll also share assignments. So this is how we gonna train you. So any questions or any doubts regarding training or anything, or QA or about software development? Or let me put in this way, is it okay, I mean, is it good